Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we have some surprise pennies. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, for anyone who is new to penny shopping, please keep in mind that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny shopping. Penny items, penny lists, penny sales, whatever you want to call it, we do not ask the employees about these items because they are supposed to pull the items off of the sales floor before they hit a penny. Now, if we find them, it's fair game and we can purchase them. If you're looking for the penny policy, it is posted for you over on the community tab. Now, I also want to make sure that everybody is aware I did upload a video earlier today going over some hidden clearance items and doing a little penny shopping prep work. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. We also have huge DG news, new clearance markdowns, and penny list information. I uploaded that video on Sunday. And of course, if you missed out on all the surprise pennies last week, make sure that you go and check out this video right here because there are still tons and tons of penny items out there. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's talk about our brand new surprise pennies. Listen up, guys. This is a huge your miles may vary. Now, some of you all will remember a few weeks ago, we had a refrigerator section reset. And basically what happens is some stores will penny out one week, and then the following week there'll be some more stores that will penny out, and so on and so forth. So basically I'm going to give you all the items that we have found so far with the UPC codes, and what you need to do is type in the UPC codes in your DG app before you run out to the store and check to see what price they are in your area. So when you type in the UPC code, if the price shows up at 0.00, that means that they have in fact pennied out at your store that you have set in your DG app. Now, if you want to check another store in your area, you're going to have to change your location, type in that UPC code again, and check the price there. Just because they are a penny at one store, that does not mean that they are going to be a penny at the second store. So again, your miles may vary. Now, if you type in the UPC code and it still shows full price at your store, don't worry about it. Just jot down these UPC codes or save your screenshots into your phone and check back on these items next Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I don't think there's really a set date because I have seen stores penny out on Sunday, on Monday, and Tuesday. We've had this happen several times, so just to play it safe, I tell you guys all 3 days. There's one last thing that I want to address before we take a look at the individual items, and that is what the DG inventory shows in the app. Guys, remember, we are dealing with clearance items and discontinued items. And I know that this confused a lot of people during the last round of surprise pennies. So we are just going to disregard what the app says as far as how many they have in stock, out of stock, not sold at this store. We are going to completely ignore that because even on regular core items that DG carries every single day, the inventory is wrong 99% of the time. What the app says versus what is actually in store, I promise you, it's wrong 99% of the time. I never trust the app when it comes to inventory. So hopefully that will clear up some confusion. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these items. Up first, we have the Häagen-Dazs Vanilla Cup. This is the 3.6 ounce, so it is the smaller cups. The UPC code is on your screen. We also have the larger 14-ounce Häagen-Dazs Vanilla Bean flavor. Now, if y'all find a store where these ice creams have pennied out, I would highly recommend that you scan all of the ice creams, even in the smaller coolers, because as you all will see here in a few minutes, we do have some single ice creams that have pennied out as well, and there will be more than what was on the specific list that was sent out to the DG employees. Okay, so just scan, 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 and if you find anything new, please come back and let us know about it. You can leave that information down in the comment section below. You can send it to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can reach out to me over on Instagram. All right, next up, we have the Drumstick Little Drums Variety Pack 12 count. Next up, we have the Eddie's / Dryer's Slow Churned Mint Chocolate Chip Light Ice Cream, 1.5 quart tubs. And guys, the sizes do matter on these, so make sure that y'all are paying attention to the sizes. Next, we have the Eddie's Mocha Almond Fudge Ice cream. So with this item, I did include the picture that shows up in the app with this UPC code, but I also included a picture from what was actually found in the store with the same UPC code. As you guys can see up there at the top, it does say Rocky Road Collection, so be on the lookout for those. Up next, we have the Outshine Grape 6 count fruit bars. Now, like I said earlier, y'all make sure that you are checking your smaller, cooler sections where they keep all the little singles of ice cream, because we do have the Disney Mickey Mouse Vanilla Light ice cream bars. These are 3 fluid ounces. I did include the picture that shows up in the app versus what was found in the store. And last but certainly not least, we have another single popsicle. Now, I'm not going to say the name of this one because I don't think it's really YouTube friendly, but you guys can see what it is on your screen, again, with the UPC code. Now, again, this is a huge Your Miles May Vary, so please type in those UPC codes before you run out to the store. If these items are still full price at your stores, make sure that you write it down on the calendar, set an alarm, and check back on these items next Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to an amazing Craz-E couponer who's been helping me out over the last few days with visuals. I don't know if she wants her name out there or not, so I'm not going to say it just yet, but thank you so much. And y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.